Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to buy NordVPN cheaper. You will see it's very easy. So here is a NordVPN homepage. We can see that there is currently a special offer for the holiday season with a 68% discount. I click on Grab the Deal to go to the pricing page. We can see that there is a 1-month plan at $11.95 per month. No discount, quite expensive. Then there is a 1-year plan at $4.92 per month for a total of $59. A 58% discount, that's more interesting. Finally, a 2-year plan at $3.71 per month for a total of $89, a 68% discount. A great offer, but I'll show you how to buy NordVPN even cheaper. So, I don't have a NordVPN coupon code, strictly speaking, to share with you, but a special link. First, I invite you to open a new incognito window in your browser. For example, if you use Firefox like me, click on the 3 little bars at the top right, and then on New Private Window. Same principle on Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. This is an important step, so don't ignore it. Then enter vpn-club.com/nord in the address bar. The link is displayed on the screen. You will also find it in the description under this video. I want to clarify that this is an affiliate link, and if you sign up to NordVPN using this link, you will help fund the channel, which will allow us to continue to provide you with this type of content. So we can already see that the amount of the discount has changed. We went from 68% to 72%. I click on Grab the Deal to access the pricing page. And as you can see, the 2-year plan is now at $3.29 per month instead of $3.71. That's a 72% discount for a total of $79 instead of $89. A nice additional saving. This is simply the best deal. You won't find NordVPN cheaper right now. So a quality VPN like NordVPN at $3.29 per month, that's a great deal. I showed you how to do it from a computer, but it's the same principle if you're on a smartphone or tablet. You will benefit from all the advantages of NordVPN. Browse and download anonymously, protect your privacy, bypass censorship, buy cheaper plane tickets and video games, and more. You will of course have access to all the features of NordVPN. Over 5,200 servers in 60 countries, including the US, Canada, the UK, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, Italy, Japan, and so on. No speed limit, no bandwidth limit, a zero-log policy. Apps available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android. It is also possible to use it on a smart TV. I personally use it on Android TV. Up to 6 simultaneous connections. Kill switch, split tunneling, DNS leak protection, servers optimized for streaming, torrenting, and gaming. There is also an ad blocker. Customer service available 24/7. I'll do a quick demo. Here is the app. I choose a country from which I want to simulate a connection from this map, or from the menu on the left. The US, for example. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from the US. So NordVPN is a full-featured VPN that should meet most of your needs. Note that NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, all you need to do is to contact their customer service and ask them to refund you. That's it. The only condition, make this request within 30 days after sign-up. Otherwise, it will be too late. To summarize, to buy NordVPN cheaper, first, you need to open a new incognito window, like this. Then enter vpn-club.com/nord in the address bar. And you will then be able to see the additional discount, so NordVPN at only $3.29 per month instead of $3.71. It is that simple. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now you know how to buy NordVPN as cheaply as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and we will answer them as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button. Thanks and see you next time.